When the entire country was under lockdown and we were forced to sit back at home, one brand decided to start selling online. They went from zero revenue to nearly nine-figure revenue within a year. The entire exercise of building the storefront and the brand building exercise were completely digital, and it worked. This shift in consumer behavior due to this pandemic has actually accelerated the adoption to e-commerce by several years. Now, the businesses are expecting more from technology as a leverage. In this session, we will see how e-commerce businesses are leveraging deep tech to grow seamlessly. We will look at a few examples, and we will also discuss the possibilities that are laying ahead of us for the tech community to explore and provide a solution for. So what is deep tech and what are its different tenets that we can leverage for e-commerce? Some of the common ones are like artificial intelligence and machine learning, big data, natural language processing, vision and speech algorithms, speech synthesis, robotics, logistics planning, and drones. And these deep tech can be leveraged to make a significant impact on the actual business metrics that matter, like conversion, consumer engagement, or the time spent, operations SLA, the different kind of SLAs like for shipment, delivery, etc., NPS, and brand loyalty. Personalization. It has become so much of a buzzword these days that it sounds cliche. However, there is a lot of action around it for a reason. The conversion rate at physical stores is usually between 10 to 30%, while the same for the digital stores are just a fraction of it, around like 1 to 4%. Now, this high conversion at physical stores can be attributed to the salesperson, the way they give their customers a personalized experience, the way they help their customers sort and find the products. The same behavior can be simulated online with the help of AI, ML, and big data. AI, ML, and big data actually help you analyze the consumer's behavior. And while we can't be present physically with each of our customers, the machine gives you that leverage to give that personalized experience to thousands of your customers at once. There are some good solutions available in the market, but I think we are just scratching the surface here, and there are still a lot more to explore. By some statistics, around 15% of customers actually need to interact with the business to know more information about their orders. And since most of these interactions are about, their order status or returns or refunds, such interactions can be automated with the help of technology. But since human value human interactions, these interactions also needs to be more human-like. Okay, and this is where the tenets of NLP, AI, ML, and big data can help. These technology tenets help you gather more data points about each of the customers and give them personalized interaction across multiple channels at once, or on demand. India is a unique market. Many of the challenges that we face here in India e-commerce is very much indigenous and specific to our geographies. And therefore, the tech community here needs to provide the solutions to these indigenous problems. One such is the COD order and the associated risk of high RTUs that comes with it. COD is not very commonplace in Western market where most of the e-commerce solutions were developed. Okay. So with COD actually comes the risk of high RTUs. Many a times the delivery addresses are also not very clear. People get innovative with their shipping addresses, and logistic partners find it very difficult to locate those addresses. So these actually result in high RTUs. RTUs cause huge business losses, and it can be prevented. Solutions like Logicy, ClickPost, GoQuick uh, have developed some innovative solutions that leverage AI and ML powered heuristic algorithms to detect such risky orders and thus to prevent them. It is a very interesting space, and there is still a lot more to explore, and technology can really play a very active role in plugging that revenue leakage there. With the surge of big volume data in e-commerce, it is getting increasingly difficult to stay on top of it. While the top management relies only on a few business metrics to arrive at any decisions, when the need comes to dive deeper and find regions for any aberrations into those metrics, then we are welcomed by a mountain of data that is spread across many different functions, departments, and third parties. Processing these data and making a coherent picture takes a lot of time to the businesses. And yes, it at large depends on human intelligence, and yes, the human competency across different brands is different. Deep tech can come to help here. They can process the data, make a coherent picture, arrive at some conclusions, and present that picture to you. The synergy of AI powered decisions weighted by humans is proving very powerful for e commerce. While we know about Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, here is an example of a virtual assistant that is trained for India e commerce. Let's see.
Hi Prakash.
Hi Max,
Hi Prakash. How do you do?
I'm doing good. How is the sales going?
Looks good so far. You have received 6,820 orders with total revenue of 6.1 crore in the last 7 days. However, the RTO has increased to 25% for this period, against our average monthly RTO of 18%.
Can you figure out a reason for this high RTO?
Okay, I found these 62% of RTOs have come from Maharashtra in the past 7 days. I also see the PIN code serviceability list was not updated in this period. There has also been some delayed dispatches reported that you may want to check back with the warehouse on.
Okay,
Would you like to ask Vishal, the operations head, to check it with the logistics partners?
yes.
Okay, I have sent an email to Vishal and I have copied you on the email too.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
So, what leverages do businesses expect from tech? Of course, they want more operations efficiency with minimum human intervention, better customer outreach, higher conversion, increased brand loyalty, and better decision making with AI powered data processing capabilities. The pace of technology innovation and its adoption in the ecosystem has never been higher. The government also is very proactive in acknowledging the emerging technologies, be it blockchain or the recently announced drones rule 2021. The India e-commerce space is growing at an exciting pace. Yes, it has got its challenges too, but the modern problems require modern solutions. We, the tech enablers, are uniquely positioned to provide solutions to these problems and help grow this industry at an exponential levels. Thank you.